Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering mandatory originals, your current SIN proof, and one government photo ID. Once done, add supporting documents for the specific change, name, immigration status, or address because incomplete files slow everything. Make sure documents are current and unexpired. Photocopies won't be accepted. If you're missing a piece, pause and request a replacement now so you don't waste a trip. Finally, note office hours and whether the service requires an appointment, because timing matters for in-person. You proceed by selecting the right submission channel, online if eligible, otherwise in person at Service Canada. Complete the SIN update form accurately, print or save a PDF when online, or hand the originals to the agent if in person. Once submitted, expect verification steps. They may contact you to confirm details. Make sure to collect a receipt or confirmation number. This lets you track progress and prove submission if there's a delay. If asked, provide a clear phone or email for follow-up. You finish by confirming the update. Check the new SIN document or online confirmation for accuracy and report any errors immediately. Once verified, notify your employer, bank, CRA, and benefit programs so records stay consistent. Keep copies of receipts and correspondence for at least 1 year. These protect you if an agency needs proof. If something goes wrong, missing update, incorrect name or number, request a file review. Escalate to a supervisor and use your confirmation number to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.